Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can delete messages on Tinder. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Tinder application, then get logged in into your account. At the homepage of Tinder, you need to tap on message icon on bottom of the right corner. Now here you can see messages. You tap in Open the chat of someone on Tinder. Now here you go in for writing a message. To let you know you cannot individually delete the message on Tinder. To delete the message on Tinder, you need to unmatch the users, then the message will be deleted. Here you can see trophy icon on top right side of the screen. You tap on it. Now there you can see unmatch only. Tap on it. Would you like to unmatch? You tap on yes, unmatch. And with that, the person will disappear from your message list. That is, the message will be deleted on Tinder. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete messages on Tinder. Thank you.